Our presentation is about investment simulation analysis report. Part 1 is the purpose of the competition. Many securities on the internet will have their simulators for us to practice investing ourselves. There will also be more people competing with you, which will make you more motivated to invest. It can also assist college students to understand the Taiwan securities investment and trading market system and combine theory and practice. Through the process of the competition, students can use this to get in touch with the concept of investment and financial management and integrate the learned investment trading knowledge to apply to the investment financial management, has a deeper operational understanding, training us to be more sensitive to intelligence, collecting data and analyzing data, making correct investment decisions, and obtaining maximum profit. Establish correct investment and financial management concept and deeper campus securities investment financial knowledge. Finally, for each investment loss, you can have the opportunity to review your mistakes to come up with a better strategy. Trading strategy used are KD indicator, transactions volume of the three major legal person, earning revenue, market index trend. Then evaluating of the trading status of the main and major accounts, Bollinger Band, comparison of the large and retail holdings. Our first target company is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing. Established on February 21, 1987, TSMC is the world's first and largest professional integrated circuit or IC manufacturing service company. The company's business strategy is to provide customers with a professional integrated circuit manufacturing and technology service without designing, produce or sell own brand products, without competing with customers for products. The company has subsidiaries or offices in North America, Europe, Japan, mainland China, South Korea, in India, and other places. For the competition conditions, TSMC ranks in industry leader in both technology and production capacity. It is the world's first founder capable of mass-producing technologies below 14 nanometers. 14 nanometers account for 80% to 90% of the global market, and the 28 or 20 nanometers production schedule is at least 3 quarters ahead of the industry. The entire process includes integrating wafer bonding, thin wafer, wafer substrate bonding, and chip packaging and testing technologies to accurate stack various logic and memory chips. Production capacity. The company has 3 advanced 12-inch ultra-large fabs, 4 8-inch fabs, and 1 6-inch fab in Taiwan, and has 2 overseas subsidiaries, WaferTech US subsidiary, and TSMC or China, and Singapore, which is joint venture with NXP. CCMC's 8-inch fab capacity support. Market demand and sales competition. IC industry chain from top to bottom for design, manufacturing, packaging, and testing, providing wafer manufacturing service including integrated component factories or IDM, and professional wafer foundry in which IDM business cover IC design, manufacturing, packaging, and testing the whole process. Because advanced process require continuous capital investment and cost consideration, IDM factories have successfully outsourced manufacturing and subsequent packaging and testing process. TSMC is the largest in the world. According to the Gartner's 2014 Global Wafers Founder market statistic announced by the market research agency. TSMC led the industry by 28 nanometers and its market shares increased to 53.8%, ranking first in the market. We are selecting this subject because, based on the above fundamentals, TSMC is worthy of his name as the first weight stock in Taiwan stocks and the first company in Taiwan. Even if the competitors are Samsung with the support of the entire South Korea or the US giant Global Foundries. Then Western Capital Corporation. Service Department was established on May 30, 2001. The company is an ODM manufacturer of information and communication product and is currently the third largest notebook computer manufacturer in the world. The company mainly engages in ODM service for brand owners. OEM projects include laptop, tablet, desktop computers, AIOPC, LCD TV, monitors, smartphone, portable navigation device, workstation, servers, and network, storage device, and other products, mainly notebook computers. Important raw materials and related suppliers. The company's important raw materials include various electronic components such as CPU, hard disk, motherboard, memory, LCD, optical disk drive, print circuit board, passive components, connectors, power supply, battery, cases, or etc. Related raw materials are purchased from major domestic and foreign manufacturers. Production capacity. The company's production base include mainland Chongsan, Kunsan, Taizhou, Malaysia, Mexico, and other places. In addition, in order to reduce production costs and gradually move production capacity to mainland China, the company's Chongqing and Chengdu plants have already started constructions. The first plant will be put into production in 2012, when the new plant will account for 40% of the company's total production capacity. Industrial structure and supply demand. The upstream industry includes the semiconductor industry, electronic components industry, and the midstream industry includes the optoelectronic industry, electronic components industry, computer peripherals. Downstream industry include the notebook computers, desktop computers, workstation, or etc. Reason for selecting these subjects is because from the fundamental point of view, Wistron has been listed for many years and has grown completely, belonging to a major company. Although a new subsidiary, Wei was established in the future. Wistron was already preparing for the division shortly after its establishment. Wistron was 100% owned by Wistron, was founded in 12 years at the time. For a major old company, Wistron's birth can be regarded as Wistron has prepared to invest heavily in this new company so that they can profit from it. Wistron has significantly reduced Wisdom's shareholding ratio, abandoned Wisdom's capital increase option several times, and held a large shareholdings in Tully Wisdom. The profitability of the parent company may not be as good as it was in the past, but it can still benefit. From a growth perspective, Wistron has long been unable to grow, but with the Golden Rooster, he still has the benefit of pen operation. Although the profitability of pen operation is low, the risks are relatively slow. Target ETF. The target of ETF, and the constituents are the top 50 stocks in Taiwan stock. There is no industry preference for selecting the top 50 stocks in the broader market. So the components are relatively scattered, effectively diversify the risk of buying only a single industry in the off-peak season or being affected by the market. The scale is huge. The discount and premium of ETFs are relatively small, and the risks are relatively small too. The return on investment is negative 0.28%, and the investment strategy is considered successful. During the competition, the epidemic broke out and most of the price fell. Are all invested in stocks. Use short-term orders to assess whether the market trend has bottomed. Although there is no profit or loss, it can be observed from the above table that the profit and loss is negative 28.170 was eaten by the handling fee. So that's all about our presentations. Thanks for listening.